Okay, I am going to show you guys how to dilute our concentrated laundry soap. So here is my 3 pump bottles, courtesy of Amazon. I peeled off the front label of the actual Thieves soap to give myself a clean look because, well, I like things clean looking when I can. You know, 3 kids, I don't always have control. So, Thieves laundry soap, my boost of essential oils, Thieves household cleaner, Thieves foaming hand soap, and some distilled water. Let's do this. All right, so first things first, I'm going to divide this into 3 equal parts. For this portion, I really don't need the funnel. I kind of just eyeball it. When I've taken samples out, I have taken my food scale and weighed it. But let's see where I'm at there. And I can keep going. So it's 3 to 4 pumps per load. I'm hoping with this new recipe I can do 2 pumps per load, and then we'll get more loads out of it. So give me 1 second to finish measuring it. All right, now that we're all divided, I'm going to add in the foaming hand soap. So this I will use the funnel. So it's a 1/4 cup. Let's start with the used open one. 1/4 cup per bottle. One. Two. 3. Then I'm going to go back and add 1 capful of Thieves household cleaner to each one. So there's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Then, before I do this, the water to fill up the rest of the bottle, I'm going to make it extra scented. So I chose orange because I have an abundance of open orange bottles. So it's just anywhere between 20 and 30, 40 drops. Oop, a bubble. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now that my essential oils are in here, I did do 40 drops per. Again, we like our scent strong, so I added additional drops. The final step, well, second to final step, is distilled water. So I buy my distilled water from either Walmart or Woodman's. Woodman's actually has the best price around here. But if you ever been into Woodman's, you need time. It's huge. All right, so we're just gonna top each of these bottles off with distilled water. And you kind of have to do it slow because you get some foaming. All right, and then once these are topped off, so I tend to try to go right there, and the reason is since it's got this like little plastic thing, I don't really want to overfill it. So let the bubbles die down a little bit. See, I still got some foaming coming out. If I let the bubbles die down a little bit more, I wouldn't have so much spillage out. But I can get this top on. Let's use a tissue. That's all I have next to me. So I'm just gonna screw this on and shake it up. And we have our Thieves Laundry soap. So now I can start a load of laundry, and then I'll show you the next recipe.